Hey, it's B-Dubs. I'm excited to share my latest blog with you from my website, brittwhite.io. The link to my blog is below in the description. I'm always open to feedback, so leave a comment if you have suggestions or if there's a particular topic you'd like me to write about. Now let's dive in. GRC skills, create your opportunity. Breaking into governance, risk, and compliance, GRC roles can feel like hacking into a system without the right credentials. Daunting, but not impossible. Here's the secret. You don't need a formal job title to gain hands-on experience. With a bit of creativity and determination, you can build a robust GRC skill set while making an impact. Let's break it down. Give back while you level up. Small organizations often prioritize survival over security. That cozy coffee shop or your favorite local nonprofit. They're likely more focused on keeping the lights on than managing compliance. That's where you step in. Start here. Strike up a conversation with the owner or manager. Share your story, your career transition, passions, and desire to offer free assistance. What to offer? Conduct a basic risk assessment and deliver a simple report highlighting their top risk and how to address them. Why it works. Gain practical experience while they give valuable insights to protect their business. Win-win. Pro tip, practice explaining complex technical concepts in simple terms. If you can explain risk to someone who thinks passwords on a sticky note are safe, you're a step ahead. Secure the code. Open source projects can be like the Wild West, exciting and sometimes a little chaotic. Guess what? They need governance too. Where to look? Browse GitHub for projects that could benefit from compliance policies or a risk assessment. What to do? Offer to draft a policy or conduct an informal risk assessment. Something as simple as creating a privacy policy can add tremendous value. Why it works. Build a portfolio of real-world GRC contributions while developing soft skills like collaboration and problem solving. Bonus, experience the challenges of maintaining compliance in dynamic environments, and maybe even make a few developer friends along the way. Network, learn, contribute. Study groups aren't just for cramming before exams. They're a playground for learning and networking. Think of them as your risk-free sandbox to simulate real-world challenges. Where to join? Platforms like InfoSec Map, Discord, or Meetup for local are great places to find GRC-focused groups. Come join our community at Study GRC. What to expect? Engage in realistic scenarios like audits, compliance reports, or risk management. Why it works. These exercises mimic actual GRC work and provide constructive feedback. Here, you can stay updated on industry trends and make some friends. See, go make a friend. Fun fact, these groups are great for networking. Your next job lead might be sitting right there, one audit simulation away. Showcase your GRC superpowers. Why wait for a job to show off your skills? Treat your journey as a series of projects. Let your work speak for itself. What to include? Compliance policies and risk assessments based on popular compliance frameworks and regulatory standards. NIST is a great place to start. Where to share? Post on LinkedIn, maintain a personal blog, or create a YouTube channel debriefing hypothetical reports. Consistency is key. Build your personal brand. Why it's powerful. A portfolio shows initiative, creativity, and commitment. Plus, you now have golden talking points during your interview. Pro tip, add a short write-up about your process for each project, explaining the why behind your choices. Employers love a good story about how you tackled a problem. Online tools to power your GRC journey. The internet is packed with tools to grow your GRC expertise. The trick is knowing where to look and what to prioritize. Check out our full resources page we've curated at Study GRC for your up-to-date GRC landing page. Courses to try, platforms like Simply Cyber Academy, Anti-Siphon Training, NIST, or Risk 360 offer training in GRC principles. Certifications to consider. Obtain the CompTIA Security Plus. After you're working, then begin to pursue certifications that align with your role or career goals. Think outside the box. Use platforms like TryHackMe and Hack the Box to gain technical skills. Write reports on your findings, assigning risk ratings and remediation steps. GRC loves professionals with a technical edge. Quick thought, Ever considered performing a risk assessment on your refrigerator? High risk, expired yogurt, medium risk, hot pocket shortage, remediation, grocery run ASAP. Skills are skills, even when they're keeping your kitchen compliant. Hack your way into GRC. Breaking into GRC without a formal job is like solving a complex puzzle. You just need the right pieces. By volunteering, contributing to open source projects, joining study groups, building a portfolio, and leveraging online resources, you can create your own path into this field. The key? Stay proactive, resourceful, and most importantly, curious. Channel your inner hacker and embrace the journey. Because in GRC, it's the problem solvers and go-getters who thrive. So what's stopping you from hacking your way into GRC today? Don't wait for opportunity. Create it. Your GRC journey starts now. If you find value in this content, you can subscribe to my blogs for free on britwhite.io and have my blogs sent to your email every Monday morning at 9:30 US Central Time. And remember, the links are below in the description.